Hey, how we doing? Today is Friday. I have to think then. A week and night shift. You never know if you're coming or going. On Wednesday, I welded the front up. Thursday, all things gearbox. And Friday, I think is going to be a good opportunity to turn the car around. I did say in the last video that we could think about welding the passenger side floor panning. But as a good friend of mine, well, as a late friend of mine once said to me, never spoil a good decision by making it all at once. And that is kind of regarding the gearbox. I've kind of put a lot of work into thinking about the 5-speed, and I don't want to dismiss it just yet. But the more I think about it, you know, financially, the amount of time, and I'm not bothered about the time and the effort. You know, cutting the car up to me is no problem, but do we really need it? Am I just doing it for the sake of doing it? And I think I am. I think I'm doing it because nobody else has. And I think that's the only reason, really, if I'm honest with you. You know, I don't know. I don't know what I'm bloody doing. Anyway, listen. I'm not going to weld the floor pan in just yet, so we're going to turn the car around and do some more welding. Today is going to be a dry day, so it's the perfect opportunity to do this job. It's not an easy job to do. The car's really a bit too small for the ramp. It only just fits on. I'm obviously on my own. I might see if Mrs. Knick-Knack can give me a quick push with the motor. We'll have to see how we get on with that. Yeah. While it's outside, I can jet wash the engine bay as well. So, without further ado, let's bloody hellfire, let's get ripped in. Ooh, right. I'm not afraid to say, I know for a fact this is going to be a bit of a pain in the bum, and I'm not looking forward to doing it, I'll be honest with you. The boot is full of things I've been collecting over the last, 8 months, 9 months, something like that. So I need to empty it out before I do anything. So you're going to get a few behind the scenes, what do they call them, Easter eggs, of potential modifications that we might be doing in the future. It is a bit of a steady video, this one. I don't know what I'm going to be doing in it. Sit tight, grab a brew, and we'll just have to see how things pan out, won't we? Okay then. I think I've kept talking to a minimum because I'm a bit paranoid about talking to myself outside. But let's have a quick look in here now. Look, I'm gonna get the jet washer out and see if we can't clean a bit of this up. So we'll do before and after. I have a feeling I'm going to get very wet. We've got a bit of a puddle on the go down there, look. But the beauty about it is I can just stick the drill bit through it and let all the water out. Oh, you can see the inner sill we fitted there, look. Brand new inner sill. See that corner that we repaired all that time ago? It really looks quite a mess, all different colours, doesn't it? Engine base come up all right, look. Again, once we get that cleaned up and a bit of paint on there, it'll look a lot better, obviously. So they're repairing that corner. I think we can make a better job of that. As for all the grease and the grime, I think, well, I've got a plan. And it involves all my mates and loads of beer. We're gonna have a scraping party, I think. Right then. I'm damn paranoid about speaking with the door open. People must think I'm a bloody lunatic or something. Anyway, listen. We've got a bit done in there, haven't we? It's not too bad. And it's making me wonder if I should just leave it now. Well, thinking about pulling the wiring loom out, to be honest with you. But before I do any of that, it's just outside drip drying at the minute. Where the bloody hell am I going to put all this? Where did it all come from? It was all in here somewhere. Bloody hell fire. Anyway, I'm going to continue tidying. And I'm going to celebrate with an alcohol-free booze up. This seems real. Which way do I come in from? This seems really weird. We're all back to front. It doesn't seem right. Okay, I've tidied up, nearly finished, but now we're ready to carry on with the welding, aren't we? So I was going to start thinking about ordering the panels, but to be honest, we've not finished the jobs we've started. So we're going to get the front welded up. I might tackle that tomorrow. I'll be honest with you, I've had my fill for today. I'm ready for a shower and a sit down. I'm having a tea party tonight with the little one. I'm looking forward to that. So I want to get cleaned up before she comes home. I'm going to get the cars in. Yeah, and I'm done for today. Let's see what tomorrow brings, shall we? How are you doing? Today is Saturday, my third day. Is it a third day? No, I've been in Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Today's Saturday. Fourth day on the trot. In here. Yeah, alright, isn't it? I wasn't going to come in today, if I'm honest with you. I've been doing family things this morning, really enjoyed myself with the girls earlier, but they've gone out now, so I've come in for an hour. It's getting on in the day. I'm not going to get the welding gear out. You've got to get everything out for a couple of hours worth of welding to put it all back again. It's a big job. That said, I'm not going to end the video now. We've still got plenty to be getting on with. I think a good job to do will be to get the rest of the wiring loom out. The front's all out, the headlamps, whatever's around the front, all the stuff that was in the engine bay is all disconnected. So we've got the back lights to get out. Right then. I'm going to end this video now. Today's Saturday, but you don't know that. Well, you do now. I've started a new job. I've started to take the wiring loom out. I thought it might take me an hour or so. As it goes, I've been at it nearly 5 hours, right? And I filmed it all, and that'll make a video by itself. So next week, you can watch me taking the wiring loom out. It was a way bigger job than I expected, and I've still not completed it. I've still got to come in tomorrow to kind of finish off removing the wiring loom. I only came in here on Saturday to have 10 minutes knocking about, you know, not getting too involved with stuff, just pottering. And it's turned into a real big job. But I'm enjoying myself, and you'll see that again next week. It just means that this video is a bit short. All this video was is basically turning the car around. But hey, you know, it's just how it's worked out. I don't want to tack the wiring videos onto this one for one or two reasons. It'll make this video about flipping 3 hours long, right? And it's also starting a new subject, which means it's a video by itself. Gordon Bennett, you'll see what I've been wrestling with next week. Right, so for now, sorry it's a bit shorter. It wasn't much of a video, I appreciate that, but you'll definitely appreciate it more next week. What do? We like, subscribe, ding the bell, share it with your mates. Brilliant. I've had a good day today, way more than I was expecting. And you'll see this in the future. Brilliant. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.